Hello everyone, welcome back to the PHP series. In this video, we will discuss what is session, how to start session, how to register session, and how to remove session in PHP. So let's start. So, what is session? Definition of session is a way to store information to be used across multiple pages. The last topic which we discuss is cookie. So, cookie is stored on browser, but session is stored on server. Session stores session ID cookie on browser, which is used to reference the session file. In cookie, if user disable cookie support in their browser, then we cannot store cookie. But session is also work when user disable cookie support. When user disable cookie support, then session ID information is passed from URL. Cookie is less secure because it's stored on client side. So anyone can use the cookie, but session is secure because it's stored on server. In cookie, we can store limited data because it's stored on client side, but in session, not have any limit to store data because it's stored on server. Now we discuss how session works. So when session ID store on client computer, then from next time, when session open on another page, it scan client computer. If there is a session ID match, then it access the session. And if not match any session ID, then it start new session. So now we discuss how to start session. PHP provide session underscore start function to start the session. We need to call this function first before any output is written to the output stream. Next is how to register the session on or create the session. So PHP provide two methods to register session. One is $_session array. It is a global associative array. We need to pass session variable name as an array index and session value as array value. And second method is session underscore register function. This function takes two arguments. One is session variable name and second is session value. Now we discuss isSet function. Once we register a session and if we want to check the session is registered or not, then we can check session using isSet function. We need to pass session variable name as an argument. This function returns true if session is registered and false if session is not registered. Last point is how to destroy session. PHP provide this function to destroy session. One is session underscore unset function and second is session underscore destroy function. So here I mentioned what is different between session and cookie. You can read this. If you want to download this PPT, then link available in description. Now we perform simple example of session. So in this script, we start and register two session, name and age. So here we start session using session underscore start function. Then we register session using $_session array. For name session, we pass name as a session variable and Vishwa as a session value. And for age session, we pass age as a session variable and 19 as a session value. Let's see the output. As you can see, session is registered. Now we use register session. So here we first start a session, then we access session using $_session array. To access name session, we pass name index, and for age session, we pass age index. We assign session data into name and age variable. Then we check for a session is registered or not using is set function. If session is exist, then we print the session data. Otherwise, we print a message. So let's see the output. As you can see, data is printed. If you have any doubt, then comment us. If you like this video, then like it.